Alright guys, today we're going to be solving problems 5, 7, and 9 from lesson 22. So to start off, we're asked in problem number 5 to find the integral of sine of 4x. This is easy. What we're going to do is we're going to use substitution method. We're going to make our u 4x. Oh, damn, that's terrible. Okay. 4x, which makes our du 4 dx, and then we move this bad boy over here, or we can move whichever, honestly, and we'll still end up with d of x is equal to 1/4 du. So now we plug that in. Sine of u times 1/4 du. We can move this over here now. We get 1/4 sine of u. The integral of sine, as we already know, is cosine. Negative cosine, to be exact. Negative cosine of u plus c, since we took the integral. That's the solution to number 5. For number 7, we're going to use the same method. Our u this time will be 2x plus 1, not square root 2x plus 1, which is important. The dx of this, after taking the derivative and everything, will be 1/2 is equal to 1/2 du. So now we plug that information in. 0 to 4 is 1 to u, and we change that square root into a half because it's literally the same thing. Now, before anything, we're going to convert our x values of 0 and 4 to u values. And these new u values will be 9 and 1 of u and a half. Because this can be converted from the 1 over u and a half. So now, we just plug in, and we do square root of 9 minus square root of 1. Square root of 9 is 3, square root of 1 is 1, so we get 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. And that is our answer for number 7. Okay, for number 9, we're using the exact same thing, but this time we're going to do something different. We don't like this negative 2 over 2 type of thing that we have over here, so we're going to convert it. And we can do this. 2 to 2 minus 0, x2 plus 1 dx. This makes our life much easier. So now after doing that, what we're going to do is we're going to factor this to get x4 plus x2 of 2 to 0, 2. Now we can take the integral of this, and x4 plus 1 is x5 over 5, plus x2 plus 1 is x3 over 3. So now we have this, after everything is said and done, x5 over 5 plus x3 over 3, still having the values of 2 and 0. And now we can plug it in. If we plug in 0, we will get literally 0, so we only plug in 2. So it'll be 2 to 2 over 5 by 5 plus, goddamn, plus 2 over 3 by 2. I'm sorry, that was a mistake. So, yeah, I guess why not? We can do the math. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. So it'll be 32 over 5, plus 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So it'll be 8 over 3 over 2. And we'll leave it like that.